Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Infiniti Q60, right?
QX60, yes.
QX60. And most of the time, when you put a brand new transmission, you must write down the configuration for initialization of the transmission. If it's not, the check engine light will not go away. No matter what you do by clearing the code, it will not go away. And after that, if you finish, we advise you to take this barcode and stick it onto the transmission safety neutral switch to be there. This barcode here is available there. If you are able to read this information and you have other tools, whether it's console 3 plus or anything, you can write it back into the transmission if it's possible. So right now the car is running. We have to turn the key, ignition on, engine off. We are using the Mitsubishi Renault Nissan interface with the console 3 plus here. So we're gonna go here and first I need to screen record our screen here, and then I will go to console 3 plus on the right corner. I already put the file here. As you see, this file is already there. Now we are in console 3 plus Nissan Infiniti Datsun. We're gonna wait a little bit, it will communicate. For any reason, if it doesn't communicate, I have to review the connectors. Okay. Let me see here what happened. Okay. I'm gonna try it one more. Yes, now we have the green normal mode USB connection. I want to go to the diagnosis and I show you what I mean by that. Let's go to transmission. On the transmission, we will check the code. You see CVT Judder P17F0. If I try to clear it, it will not clear at all. You see, execute the clearance of the OBD2, say okay, it never go away. So what we need to do is to go to work support, and here we're gonna do CVT write IP chart replacement CVT, and then I click start. Here it will ask me to write down the characteristic data. Here I will go slowly and look for that code. I know it is like ending with D as in David, 296D. This is one. I already have a copy on the desktop. If it's not, you never get it again. As soon as you click on your program, it will disappear. This is 2400650. Here you have to do a couple of things. Be careful. Here is a software. Slowly go to the brake, push the brake all the way down, push the gas all the way to the end, put the car in reverse. Be sure reverse like you see the backup. Keep holding there and go, and then write down next. Next, it says good. Now here we're gonna start. It's done, the first step. Now put this back, remove your feet, remove that one. Now you're gonna turn the key off for 2 seconds. Look here, ignition is on. Turn it off. 1, 2, 0. Turn the key on. That one become gray. Now is the writing. I'm gonna click OK. To write it, ignition on, engine not running, engine off. Shift position, Peter, touch start. I'm gonna write. Now here, car is parked. Ignition is on. Connector is, communication is live. Right. Complete. Data writing complete successfully. What you're gonna do now, and this one, go back to self-diagnose. You're gonna see it will change to orange or yellow. That means it's cleared and it's become passed. There is nothing here now. So now what I'm gonna do, I will erase the code. I'm gonna erase it, execute, it will change to green. So red, yellow, green, and the check engine light will disappear. That check engine light will never come back again. If it's come back again, we have to go to the engine to see if there is any code remaining in the engine. You see here, now we have another code. Transmission is clean. We're gonna go back here in this area, go back, and this time I will check the engine, because the engine and the transmission are different, two brains, but they are sharing the check engine light together. So now I'm going to look at the engine. Let's communicate. Okay, this is the engine. The engine, you have O2 sensor heater circuit P00057. That means bank 2. This car have bank 1. I believe bank 1 is the passenger side, V6 or V8, right? Bank 2 is this side, I believe. It's bank 2, O2 sensor 2. Sensor 2, that means the sensor that after the catalytic conveyor. Yeah. The downward. So that one is, you have a code there. We're gonna clear it now. Okay. We're gonna clear this one. Okay. Ignition can be, sometimes must be on, sometimes it doesn't matter. I clear it. Now the check engine light is no more, as you see here. Also, for this one here, when you have a used transmission, you put it in, you can use this one, or you can, the equivalence of any VIN number, if the same transmission work in one car or 2, 3, 4 car, the same software will be able to write it down, the information that you want. One, if you have your original transmission and the CVT Judder come on for you while you are driving, try to reset it one time. If it's come back, that means the transmission need to be replaced, especially when the car is over 100,000 miles. Most of the time, if the CVT Judder code come by itself, just by programming one time or 2 times will not solve the problem. That's the information that we need to do. Also, those cars is not good for drifting, like people try to drifting, and that's any drifting information, any slippery inside the transmission, it will bring that code. And if it's come on, it will not go away without resetting it. This is for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share and like, and see you in another video. And if you have any other question, also feel free to ask. And if you need any CD or any programming data, you don't have it, check me on my leave your email address on the review or in comment there, and I will see if I can send you the link to get the code. Thank you. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video.